When the road is rough and I can't see the way, I call on you, Lord, to guide me through each day. In the darkest hour, when I'm feeling weak, your presence surrounds me. You're all I see. You are with me